Hello and welcome to What's Up Naija, Naija #1 happening channel, giving you back-to-back all-round celeb gossips, trending news, top 10 videos and many more. Please remember to stay with us by helping us subscribe and clicking on the bell to get more info when we upload. Thank you.
10 richest kings in Nigeria and the cars they ride. These kings inherit thrones to live in honorable places and drive luxury cars. Our number 10 is Benjamin Ikechukwu Keagborekuzi I, aka the Dying of Agbo. Benjamin Ikechukwu Keagborekuzi I is the royal leader of Agbo, a town in the oil-rich Delta State. He was crowned when he was 2 years old. He entered the Guinness Book as the youngest monarch in history after coming back from the UK, where he obtained multiple degrees and certificates. He is also appointed as the Chancellor at the University of Ilorin, which is the youngest Chancellor of this university. He is seen driving a plain black Mercedes-Benz S550 Maybach 2015 model worth $65 million. The Dying of Agbo has a whopping net worth of $10 million. Our number 9 is Godfrey Emeniko, aka the Olu of Warri. Godfrey Emeniko is the Olu of Warri. He falls among the richest kings in Nigeria, with his net worth at $30 million. The Olu, who has his domain in the Niger Delta region of Nigeria, is known there to control gas and crude resources. Thus, we may link a part of this source to oil money, which is fair. About his cars, the Olu of Warri doesn't need fancy cars to show off his wealth. Our number 8 is the Oba Babatunde Aremu Akiolu, aka the Oba of Lagos. The Oba of Lagos is one traditional ruler we cannot overlook. He is just as wealthy, having bagged his LLB degree from the University of Lagos and also served in the Nigerian police force for 32 years before ascending the throne. Oba Arewan Babatunde Akiolu's net worth is estimated at around $40 million. Talk of his car, the former AIG in the Nigerian police force uses a 2016 Mercedes-Benz S550, which sells for over $34 million, the most gracious of all the ones that sleep in his garage. Making it to our number 7 is the Oba Lamidi Adeyemi of Nigeria. He ranks as the second most influential king in the Yoruba land. His net worth is about $40 million, so it's easy to tell the Oba is well loaded. About his cars, he drives a stretch limousine, a Lexus GX 470, a Toyota Land Cruiser among his fleet of cars. Our number 6 is Nnaemeka Alfred Ugochukwu Achebe, aka the Obi of Onitsha, a notable monarch from the eastern part of Nigeria. The Obi of Onitsha has sure made a name for himself before being crowned the Obi. He served as an executive director at Shell Petroleum Development Company and was once the Chancellor of Ahmadu Bello University, Zaria. Being the king sums it all up and magnifies the equation altogether. Being among the top 10 richest kings in Nigeria, the Obi himself is worth about $50 million and owns a Rolls-Royce 2016 model that will go for nothing less than 100 million naira. Number 5 is the Oba Ewuare II Ugirigan, aka the popular Oba of Benin. He is a traditional authority in the Benin state of Nigeria. He wields the power and influence that cannot be undermined. He holds a degree of economics from the University of Wales, UK, and a master's degree in public administration from Rutgers University Graduate School, New Jersey. He is also Nigeria's ambassador to a number of foreign countries. He has a whopping net worth of about $60 million. So it's no surprise then that the Oba owns a Rolls-Royce Phantom 2016 model with an estimated cost of about 150 million naira. You can be sure that title is in his name. Number 4 is the Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi Enitan, aka the Oni of Ife. You sure have to accord the Oni of Ife some respect if you are to talk about him. Oba Adeyeye is influential in every meaning of it. The Oni ranks as one of the most respected rulers in the world and holds a lot of power and authority in the Yoruba land. Besides his royal status, he is a successful real estate businessman and Chancellor of the University of Nigeria, Nsukka. His net worth is estimated at about $70 million, making him the 4th richest king in Nigeria. About his cars, the Ife ruler owns many foreign car models, but the most magnificent of them all is his Rolls-Royce Phantom model, year 2011. He also owns a Bentley and Mercedes-Benz S550. Number 3 is the defunct Emir of Kano, Sanusi Lamido, the former governor of Central Bank. That position alone attracted recognition, influence and wealth, not even to mention his financial investment and asset. He has been listed as one of the most influential people of the year by the renowned Time magazine. He is a business mogul and he has a whopping net worth of $80 million. Number 2 is the Saadu Abubakar, aka the Sultan of Sokoto. The list of the richest king in Nigeria can't be complete without the Sultan of Sokoto, the most powerful ruler in the north and among the richest in Africa. He sits over the Sokoto Caliphate, making him the spiritual head of the Muslims in the country. He is also the co-chairman of the Nigerian Council of Traditional Rulers. The Sultan has a net worth totaling of $100 million. Sultan Abubakar IV owns fleet of cars. However, the most remarkable one is his Rolls-Royce 2017 model. Number 1 is the Oba Obateru Akinrutan, aka the Olugbo of Ugbo, the richest king in Nigeria. Oba Obateru Akinrutan is the head of the Ugbo, Ondo State. Besides being the royal leader of Ugbo, he owns Obas Petroleum, one of the largest private oil trading companies in Nigeria, which controls Africa's largest oil depot. The Olugbo of Ugbo Kingdom made Forbes list as one of the wealthiest monarchs in Nigeria, with his net worth estimated at $30 million. The traditional ruler in Ondo State owns a Bentley Mulsanne 2014 model valued at over 100 million naira and also boasts of driving a custom-built Rolls-Royce 2012 edition built to match the standard of the Queen of England, with which the Olugbo of Ugbo joins in the royal list of Nigerian monarchs who ride Rolls-Royce. Thank you for watching. Please stay with us. Remember to like and click on the subscribe button and clicking the notification button to get updates anytime we upload. Thank you.